AI is everywhere these days. From self-driving cars to smart assistants, it feels like the future is already here. But here's the thing. AI isn't going to change the world in the way you might think. It's not about robots taking over or machines ruling our lives. The real story of AI is subtler, more nuanced, and honestly, way more interesting. So, let's dive in and explore why AI will change the world, but not in the way you expect. First up, let's talk about jobs. The fear of AI stealing jobs is everywhere. But history tells us that technology doesn't just destroy jobs, it transforms them. Take ATMs, for example. When they were introduced, people thought bank tellers would become obsolete. Instead, banks hired more tellers to focus on customer service and complex transactions. AI is doing the same thing. It's automating repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence. Jobs will evolve, not disappear. The real challenge? Making sure workers have the skills to adapt. Next, let's clear up a big misconception. AI doesn't think like humans. Sure, it can process data, identify patterns, and make predictions, but it lacks consciousness, intuition, and empathy. For example, AI can diagnose diseases faster than a doctor, but it can't comfort a patient or understand their fears. AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to complement us. Think of it as a co-pilot, not a captain. Now, here's the flip side. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest problems, from climate change to healthcare. But it also risks widening the gap between the haves and the have-nots. Wealthy countries and corporations will have access to cutting-edge AI tools, while poorer regions may struggle to keep up. To avoid a dystopian future, we need policies that ensure AI benefits everyone, not just the privileged few. And let's not forget, AI isn't perfect. It makes mistakes. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on, and that data can be biased, incomplete, or just plain wrong. Take facial recognition systems, for example. They've been shown to misidentify people of color more often than white individuals. We need to approach AI with humility, recognizing its limitations and addressing its flaws. Here's something you might not realize. AI is already woven into your daily life. From Netflix recommendations to spam filters, AI is quietly working behind the scenes. Smart home devices like Alexa and Google Home use AI to understand your voice commands. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it will feel less like a futuristic novelty and more like a natural part of how we live, work, and play. There's a common fear that AI will be controlled by a handful of tech giants, creating a dystopian monopoly. But the rise of open-source AI models like DeepSeek is challenging that narrative. Open-source AI allows developers worldwide to build on existing models, democratizing access to powerful tools. By making AI accessible, we can foster innovation and ensure that its benefits are shared widely. Finally, let's talk about timing. The impact of AI will be gradual, not sudden. It will unfold over decades, shaping industries, economies, and societies in ways we can't yet predict. Think about the internet. It took decades to transform the world, and AI will follow a similar trajectory. Patience and long-term thinking will be key as we navigate this transformation. So, here's the bigger picture. AI isn't a magic wand that will solve all our problems. Nor is it a doomsday device that will destroy humanity. It's a tool, a powerful one, that will reshape the world in ways both big and small. The real question isn't whether AI will change the world. It's how we will use AI to create a world that's better, fairer, and more innovative. So, the next time you hear someone say, AI is going to take over the world, remind them, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to help us. And that's a future worth building. What do you think about AI's role in the future? Are you excited, worried, or a bit of both? Let's discuss in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more thought-provoking content. Thanks for watching.